Hey everybody, so I got an unboxing to do for a J5Create HDMI to USB-C cable. We're going to go over it, check it out, give some information on it, and we'll see what else in the video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the J5Create USB-C to 4K HDMI cable. It does 4K at 60 Hz, HDR, HDMI ATC certified. It is part number JCC153G, John Charlie Charlie 153 Granger. Display port, alternate mode capability. It says on the back, small reversible USB-C connector, HDMI male connector, supports resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz, which is 4K resolution. Cable length 6 foot, 1.8 meters, no drivers required. System requirements: available display port, alternate mode over USB-C connect, preferred for MacBook and Chromebook. Display port version 1.2 required on graphics card or video source to support. It doesn't really have much in here. It just shows package contents, cable, and looks like a little information guide. Just gonna pop the tape off this guy. I do like the J5Create products. It doesn't look like much is sold by at Walmart anymore, but it has USB Type-C display adapter cables and their types. JCC153, which right here is 4K. They have the JCC153G 4K HDMI. JCA141, which is 4K display port. They have a JCC111, which is a VGA adapter. They have a JCA111, which is a VGA adapter to 16 pin, or no, that's it's an 18 pin. They have a JCA153 4K HDMI, JCA142, which is a 4K mini display port, JCA140, which is a 4K display port, and JCA153G, which is the female version of the 4K one I got. Looks like just, USB Type-C adapters and their specs, which is kind of neat. They provide that. Then it's got the same little register packet that I got in the other one, and here is the cable. It's not gold plated or anything on this side. There's a serial number on the back. I do want to test this, but I don't think today we're going to be able to test it on video. I'm not close enough to the computer, and I just wanted this to be a quick unboxing video. If you guys are interested in seeing this, instead of me doing, a video on this cable, and you guys just aren't interested, let me know down in the comments if you actually do want to see what this is capable of. And I'm going to use it for mirroring. basically mirroring my phone on the TV. You can use it for a couple other things, but usually it's used to mirror and or create a secondary screen from the computer's point of view to the TV. Or you can run it to, you know, a laptop and a console. But I do appreciate you guys' time. If you guys want to see more on this, let me know. I don't want to record a video that you guys might not be interested in. The J5Create products are great products. I haven't had any issues with any of them. But again, please, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And you know, if you can, guys, go check out the Milwaukee NPS 2020 episode 1 live stream I did. I got links in there, you know, for all the new pre-orderable Milwaukee tools coming out. If you guys are interested in any of that, go check it out in the links below for the on that live stream for that. I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!